Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the BUTTR Tactical 3 butt plug. So let's get started. So this is the Tactical 3 butt plug itself. Similar to the Tactical 1 butt plug, this is slightly different with 3 fantastic bumps all across just here. Now this is a ribbed butt plug and is only for experienced users. We would not recommend this for beginners, only expert and advanced users. This XXL butt plug has a diameter of no less than 7 centimeters and is provided, as mentioned, with a ribbed shaft which has 3 big bumps, providing wonderful stimulation. The material is really soft and smooth and will glide well with the help of a fisting lubricant. The wide flat base allows you to attach the butt plug to any flat and smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation as well. The shaft itself is flexible yet firm and feels very comfortable and stimulating during every use. Now, as mentioned, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Alternatively, you can also use the BUTTR Fist Gel, which is slightly thicker than the standard water-based lubricants and is comfortable to use in combination with silicone sex toys. Please note you cannot use the Fist Butter or Fist Cream in combination with the BUTTR silicone sex toys. Make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the BUTTR Tactical 3 butt plug. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.